Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, you have been disconnected with the error code 0x80600008, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write your Xbox. It doesn't matter if you have the game on Xbox or not. And now you're going to click onto your username, click onto support, click gaming services repair tool, and then click start repairing here. And now wait for it to do its thing. Once it's done, you're going to close this up, and then you're going to click onto your username and then click sign out from here, and then you're going to sign out from the Xbox app. After you're done signing out, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go to your C drive, Xbox games, game save, and then PGS. And now you're going to have a folder like this. You're going to rename this folder and add anything like _old on here. After that, you're going to open up the Xbox app, and now you're going to sign into your Xbox account. Once you're done signing in, you're going to minimize the Xbox app, open up your games platform, which is Steam, right click on Forza Horizon 6, and then click properties, go into install files, click verify integrity of game files here. Once you click onto that, now you should be able to play Forza Horizon 6 and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.